Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer your existing number to a new AT&T phone. Whether you're upgrading or simply switching devices, we'll guide you through every step of the process to ensure a smooth transition. Let's get started. Step 1. Back up your current phone. Before you begin, it's important to back up your data. This ensures that all your contacts, photos, apps, and other important files are saved. You can back up your phone using either Google Drive for Android devices or iCloud for iPhones. On Android, go to Settings or System, Backup, and select Backup Now. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, then tap Backup Now. Step 2. Power off both phones. To avoid any interruptions during the transfer process, power off both your old phone and your new AT&T phone. Simply press and hold the power button on both devices and follow the on-screen prompts to turn them off. Step 3. Insert your SIM card into your new phone. In most cases, your phone number is tied to the SIM card. Take your SIM card from your old phone and carefully insert it into your new AT&T phone. The SIM card slot is usually located on the side or back of the device, depending on the model. Be sure the SIM card is properly aligned. Step 4. Power on your new AT&T phone. Once the SIM card is securely in place, power on your new phone by pressing and holding the power button. Wait for the phone to boot up, and it should automatically detect your number from the SIM card. Step 5. Set up your new phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new phone. This includes choosing your language, connecting to Wi-Fi, and signing into your Google or Apple account. If you're using an iPhone, you'll also be asked to restore from iCloud or iTunes backup. Step 6. Transfer your data, optional. Once your phone is set up, you can restore your data from the backup you made earlier. On Android, open the Google Drive app and select the backup to restore. On iPhone, during setup, select Restore from iCloud Backup and choose the backup you made. Step 7. Verify your number. To make sure everything is working properly, try calling a friend or family member. Check that your phone number is displaying correctly and that your calls and texts are going through without any issues. Step 8. Contact AT&T, if necessary. If your number isn't showing up or you're having trouble with the transfer, contact AT&T customer service. You can reach them by calling 1-800-331-0500 or visiting your nearest AT&T store. They can help you with any problems you encounter during the transfer process. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your number to your new AT&T phone. Now you can enjoy your new device with all your important contacts and data right where you need them. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.